switch up. I hit the function, hit the road right till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Dwayne Ross, the author of the book No More Crumbs from the Table, discovering you, helping you discover you, right? No, helping you discover your tag, your talent, your ability, your gift. Hey, and put it to work in the earth. Turn it into profits. Turn your passion into profits. Here's the deal. Listen, today I want to talk about that A in tag, right? Abilities. Now, what's a good ability? Ability could be something like you have great communication skills. It could be like, you really are mechanically inclined. It could be that ability is like something that, you do really well, but it's kind of like, it just kind of comes natural, right? It's not quite a gift. It's a little bit better than a talent, but it comes naturally to you. And so the thought is, how can you take an ability like organization skills, right? Like leadership development skills, like you really would know how to work with a team really well, right? Could you turn that into profit? Could you take that information and actually get excited about it? I hope you can, because I want to help you, right? Because see, here's the thing. It's all about how can you take what you already have on the inside of you, turn what you know into cash flow, turn what you are already good at into something better. Maybe it's a better job. Maybe it's starting a new corporation, a company, a nonprofit. Maybe it's starting a new business. Whatever it is for you. I'm a veteran, right? I'm a U.S. Air Force veteran. And I remember being told, hey, you know what? You scored high on mechanics. So what did I do? I followed mechanics, right? I went to say, you know what? I want to start doing mechanical engineering. So let me go work on mechanical bomb racks and systems, right? And so I was given a uniform, told to go to basic training. And then when I got my assignment for my actual, what they call AFSC, your Air Force position, what you're going to do, it said electronic countermeasure. Whoo, I'm excited. I get there and they say, well, you know what? There are two sides to this business. One of them is loading bombs and missiles. The other is the electronic side. And you qualify for both, but we need you to load bombs and missiles. Now, I happen to be an African American, and unfortunately, back in the 1980s, there was a lot of stuff that I didn't understand about racism. But I will say this, all the guys that were doing the cool work, designing and moving stuff on pens and paper, were white. There might have been one black guy out of 12. All the guys that was loading bombs and missiles on planes, these are live ammo, happened to be black. My entire team was black. Now, I rose to the occasion. I got ICT. We won the ICT competition. I, got an accommodation medal. I got a lot of cool stuff. However, I didn't get to do mechanical engineering. I even started college for that. And in the middle of it, I found out that I had the ability to, take things and kind of put them together real quick and actually share information that was, very difficult, but made it easy, simple, easy, right? It just came natural. It was a cool thing. And I just kind of started playing with that a little bit more, but I didn't think of it as a job. So I didn't even get, tap into it at an early age. It was later on, after I got out of the military, that I realized I had the ability to take complex information and make it simple to the everyday user. What are your abilities? Abilities are, everybody can do them, but you have, again, a way of kind of just rising to the top of the class when it comes to certain things. Maybe you're a good writer. You have the ability to use words in a very eloquent way. You have the ability to use words that move emotions. You have the ability to create scenes that people get excited about. Maybe you want to write a children's book. I help people self-publish books. I help people do digital photography, and I help them create courses. Well, I want to help you cultivate and expand on the idea of your abilities. So again, I talk about talent, ability, gift. Every single human being in my mind comes to the earth with one of these things, talent, ability, gift, or all of them. Now I happen to have them all. So I teach about them all, right? But in my book, No More Crumbs, I say, listen, you don't have to settle for the crumbs from the table, because you could take what you already have, you could take what you know, take what you're good at, and you could put it to work in the earth and get paid.
Move for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the road right till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money.